train, roll it. All right. This is Alpha 14. Whoa! What else? Have a triple meat. Triple green meat. Look at that. Green meat. You know what it's done. No, it's a green meat right triple meat, alright. Green meat. So on that train is CSX B780. So not B780, B770. This train needs to ride to Illinois. Heads east to see one New Jersey where it terminates. And now I'm at the NS14M. And now we got this train here, a triple meat. No way. I haven't seen it before. I have not been in no eyesight. I'm really hypnotized right now. Got a heart attack here. Triple train meat. Way down there about a mile away. Let me know in the comments. Here comes the next video. Roll it.